highway underpass construction site.
Everyone, let's start building an underpass for this intersection.
It's time to get started.
Excavator, dig up the soil and sand.
The dump truck is here.
Guys, we need to finish this underpass before the sunset.
The drill excavator has finished drilling the tough soil. Amazing, this soil has been completely softened. The top dirt has been handled.
Now it's time for the concrete pouring. We'll use the soil to make the concrete.
I'll mix this batch right away.
I've transported the reinforcement mesh here.
The concrete is ready. I've done my job, boss.
The underpass is complete. Vehicles are now flowing smoothly through this intersection.
Our city is so modern.
Happy 4th of July! Let freedom shine bright!
Let's begin the parade.
Hooray for Independence Day!
There's an issue with the parade. I need your help.
The parade car leading with the laurel wreath symbol, representing victory and glory. A parade float carrying the American flag is approaching. This is a symbol of national pride and unity.
Celebrate America's independence!
The Statue of Liberty is a neoclassical copper sculpture representing Libertas, the Roman goddess of freedom. The parade float featuring the Statue of Liberty is a symbolic image that carries the message of freedom and hope. Independence Day of the United States, celebrated on July 4th, is a reminder of the spirit of freedom and courage. The abbreviation USA stands for the United States of America. Professions play a crucial role in constructing and developing. They are essential in providing goods and services, enhancing quality of life, and contributing to the national economy. The police are a familiar image to citizens, embodying flexibility and professionalism in maintaining public security. Cowboy hat is emblematic of Western culture, known for its distinctive shape and practicality. And finally, it's our firefighters.
What a historic day. Cheers to liberty and justice for all.
Thank you for organizing successful parade.
Happy Independence Day.
Please build me a bridge. Let's go. Yeah. Woo. We did it. I got a new idea. We can build the Twins Bridge.
How?
Hey, you lose. We win. By cable car. I'm moving.